The Depuley 42-inch black ceiling fan boasts a sleek, low-profile design that is perfect for rooms with limited ceiling space. Equipped with an ultra-quiet DC motor, this fan offers 6 speed settings and a reversible function for year-round comfort. The integrated dimmable LED light allows you to adjust the brightness according to your mood or the time of day. Its versatile design makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, seamlessly blending with any home decor. This ceiling fan is perfect for smart homes, offering remote and app control for convenient adjustments from anywhere. Installation is a breeze, and its durable construction ensures long-term reliability and energy efficiency.